Hello, Pilates and yoga lovers. I'm inviting each one of you for my upcoming Core Back Protocol free 6-part video series. Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel is about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy. And I'm so excited and thrilled to invite each one of you for my upcoming free 6-part video series. If you're suffering from back pain, weak core, and poor posture, it's time to regain your life without back pain. This 2025, and it's not too late if you're absolute beginners. And I've been infusing this Pilates, yoga, physical therapy together for many years. And if you needed my help and guidance, that's why I made this free 6-part video series so you can start jumpstarting your 2025 with a healthier back, core, and overall posture. In this free 6-part video series, you might needing some equipment such as a foam roller, or you can use a roll towel for absolute beginners, elastic band, physio ball, and the wall. And if you don't have all of these equipment, no worries, don't fret. You can still join me and you can always modify the program. In the free 6-part video series of Core Back Protocol, it's the brainchild. It's the blueprint of my back masterclass, as I'm gonna reopen and relaunch this. So write your name and email address down below, and every 2 days you will receive email reminders from me, and videos will be released every 2 days, and there's gonna be amazing bonus videos as well. So you find out what is Core Back Protocol and how to find the root of the problem of your back pain, your posture problems, and finally fix your back pain for good. So mark your calendar. See you inside the class. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!